Good afternoon. This is the Kawasaki Z1000 SX in beautiful emerald green, blaze green. It stands out absolutely beautiful in the sun. It's got a very heavy metal flake in the bodywork. It just looks absolutely outstanding in the sun. We don't see much sun, so that's nice. Spikes all original, factory exhausts. It's got a set of aftermarket Oxford heated grips, tom-tom bracket. I presume it has a tom-tom as well with it. The spikes only covered 6,755 miles, and it sounds really nice to say it's on a set of factory exhausts. It's very nice. It's all very clean. The bodywork is just amazing. It's absolutely glistening in the sun. Can't really appreciate it on the video, but it is absolutely outstanding condition. And it's got a new set of tyres. You can see the stickers on the wheels. They actually set it off. They make it look really nice. And rear stickers as well. So this is a very, very clean bike, very low mileage, including the panniers. And anything else you want to know about, give me a call.